welcome back to my channel. So during today's video, I am going to be creating an eyeshadow look using the Colourpop's Rumor Has It. It's one of the little 5-pan eyeshadow palettes. I wanted to do like some color today, so this is it. I've already primed my eyes with the Plan Makeup by Yolanda eyeshadow base in the shade Foundation. Yeah, in Foundation. So I'm going to start out, I do not have a transition shade in here that I want to use, so I'm going to take my Cream Brulee and we're going to set our entire eyelid with this shade. And we're going to start under the brow bone area first. And just make sure that's set really good. And then just set the rest of the lid. And I'm just setting the rest of my lid because the colors are so bold. I don't want to be sitting here all day. And I know how I work. If I don't set it, it's going to take a little bit more time to blend it. And then it may be really bold. So that is my plan with this shadow. Okay, just make sure it's set really good. So I think that should do it. So now I'm going to start out with the first shade, and it's this like mint green eyeshadow. And I'm going to take my, let's take the Morphe 505, and it's just this pointed fluffy blending brush. And we're going to take this shadow and pack it right in the crease area. And I'm just lightly packing it until I'm building it to my liking. And I'm not going to go to the inner corner. I'm going to go right close to it. Let me zoom you guys in. Am I going the right way? I'm sorry. I guess that was it. Okay. There you go. I'm still trying to learn how to operate this camera, so just bear with me. So we're going to continue to just pack it right in this area, like about right here. I'm not going to go all the way down. So now we're going to pack it on the other eye directly into the crease. Just continuing to lightly pack it, and about right here. So it's really light and pretty. I'm just going to pack a little bit more so we can start blending the shadow. Okay, so we're going to use the same brush and just lightly blend in circular motions. And I like how nice and soft this shade is. And I'm just blending again in circular motions. So we're going to add just a little bit more. Back into the crease area again. and blend one more time. So I'm liking that. I hope my light is not off too bad, and one of my vanity lights are not working. It has started that foolishness back up, but it's okay. Now we're gonna take, let's see, let's take the shade. Let's take the middle shade, the matte shade. I want to do a little bit different and see if I can make it a simple short video. So let's take the third shade, the matte shade, and we're going to pack it all over our lid. And I'm just using this packing brush. This one is by Sigma, the E55, just a large flat packing brush. I'm just going to continue to pack it. And I'm concentrating most of it on this lash line. I'm liking it so far. Take a little bit more. And a little bit more. Okay, so now we're going to go back in with the, where's my Morphe brush? The Morphe 505 brush, and just make sure these two shades are blended together. And I'm lightly blending them. Okay, so I like that. So now I'm going to go back in with the same shade again because I want to make sure it's packed really good on the lid area. Take the same shade and pack it a little bit more. That is pretty. I like that. So now I'm going to go in with, let's do the second, the second from the last shade, this deep purple shimmer shade. And we're going to pack this all over the lid. Probably should have used my glitter glue. Yeah, because that's not working. Let's go in with the glitter glue. My Too Faced. Ooh, that did not work at all. I guess that because that color is so deep. So my dollops on my ring finger and right on the lash line, and we're gonna place it all over the lid. But I'm not going up into the crease with it. And wait till it dry a little bit, then we can go up into the crease. I want to break the crease up. And place it on the other eye. Okay, now I'm gonna go like right up in the crease, since it's not as wet, with the tip of my finger. Now let's try this shimmer shade again. The deeper shade. Oh yeah, that's a much better. And we're gonna apply it on the outer V all the way to almost the center of the lid. This is a pretty shade. I like that. So now I'm gonna wipe my finger off, and now we're gonna go in with the this lighter second shade. That's pretty. I'm gonna pop that into the inner corner and just overlap it with the deeper purple shade. I like that. Now this is a pretty shade. Alrighty. So now I'm going to take my Sigma fiber brush, blending brush, and blend out the crease area with these shimmer shades. Same thing for the other eye. So now I'm going with this second shade again, the shimmer shade. We're going to make sure the two shades are blended together. So we're just going to place it right where I want to transition the shades. We're going to go in circular motions and back and forth motions. Ooh, that's pretty. Same thing for this one. And they're really blending good together, working well together. So now I'm going to take the shimmer shade again and apply it directly in my crease area. I like it. Now I'm going to go back in with my Morphe 505 brush, and I'm not applying any more shadow, just making sure the crease area is blended with the shimmers and you can still see the lighter shade. So now we're going to go back in with our BH number 12 brush with our cream brulee one more time, just to make sure everything is transitioning together from this brow bone. And now we're going to lightly blend. And the other eye. that is pretty. So now we're going to take our makeup wipe and clean up under this area. I like that. I hope my light is not too bad, because it's like dark on my end. And I hope this video is not bad. Let me zoom back out, because I don't even know if you all see half of what I've done in this video. Okay, so this is the final eye look, and I love how it came together. Just gonna blend this crease area one more time. This is like so pretty. Okay, so that should do it. This is the final eye look. I like how these shadows blended together and work together. So I'm going to go off camera, finish the rest of my face, and I'll be back to show you guys my final look. See you guys in a bit. This is the final look using the eyeshadow palette and my full face. So to finish the rest of my face, I used the Becca Blushed with Light, and I used all 3 shades together on my cheek area. I actually bronzed and contoured today. So for my contour, I used my Black Radiance in the shade Beautiful Bronze. This is a nice contour stick. It blends like really easy. For my highlighting today, I used the Anastasia's Amrezy. And I only applied this in my inner corner to highlighting a little bit. And then for my bronzer today, I used the LYS bronzer, and this is in the shade Courage. And it's a nice bronzing shade. I like how it really bronzed up with the contour stick. It worked really good together, so I do like how that performed. So I'll definitely be using this more often. It was easier to blend. And I applied my Falsies from Amazon, the Zen Lufly. I just hate they don't have the style that you buy online, so I can share it with you all, because I buy so many and they look alike when they come in the packaging, but when you put them on, the styles are different. So I'm going to try to start putting more of the products used in the description down below. For my lips, I use the the NYX pencil in the shade Prune, and it's similar to my MAC Nightingale. And I topped it with my Anastasia's gloss in the shade Saint Tropez. This is my favorite gloss, and I do like this combination together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Goodbye.